The weakest thing you can do with a strong decision is explain it to people who are never going to understand it anyway. The Stoics knew this 2,000 years ago. Some things you keep, not out of arrogance, out of self-respect. Here are 8 things you should never explain to anyone. 1. Your reasons for saying no. No is a complete sentence. The moment you justify it, you turn a decision into a negotiation. A strong person declines and lets the silence do the rest. 2. Your income or your money moves. Seneca kept his wealth quiet for a reason. The moment people know your numbers, they start doing math about your life. Let them guess. 3. Your goals before they are real. Talking about a plan gives you the feeling of progress without the work. Marcus Aurelius acted first and spoke later. Do the thing. Announce nothing. Number 5 is the one that quietly ruins most people's peace. Stay with me. 4. Your health or your healing. You don't owe anyone a progress report on your own body or mind. Heal in private. Share only with the few who earned it. 5. Why you cut someone off. Explaining it just reopens the door. The Stoic closes it quietly and doesn't hold the handle. Their opinion of your boundary is not your problem. 6. Your routine and your discipline. The early mornings, the habits, the work nobody sees, keep them yours. Discipline explained becomes discipline diluted. 7. Your next move. Play it like a Stoic plays life. Calm on the surface, decided underneath. People can't undermine a plan they don't know exists. 8. Your inner peace. The calmer you get, the more some people will try to test it. Never explain how you got there. Just keep being unbothered. It is the loudest answer there is. Keep your reasons, your numbers, your plans, and your peace. Real strength is quiet. If this resonated, subscribe. And the book that taught me most of this is linked below. See you in the next one.